We're the king and queen of hearts, only when the music starts, all my dreams come true. When I dance with you, promise me you're mine tonight. I've been waiting night to night. While the lights are low, I never let you go. Did I dream that we dance forever, and I wish that we made together? All night that I pray would never end. You know it's not my imagination, or a part of your orchestration. Lovers here at a coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Too many people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? Tell me what's the sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one it could be. That I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice will never last. This is the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine. And until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have the world could never understand, never take away. As the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Here we stand today, like we always dream, starting out the lives together. Night is in your eyes, love is in yours. I can't believe really mine forever. I've been rehearsing just a moment of my life. So when I survive, if the feelings start to carry me away, on this day I promise forever Show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right, every wish is yours tonight, my love. Beat those away, trusting love to me, finding out too late that I lost it. They never let them go, they will never know the ways of love. You got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic. Something's wrong no matter who apart. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. You got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers?